Unlike legal rules or regulatory standards, project management principles are not meant to be strictly followed without flexibility. They are designed to inspire and influence project teams' conduct. Think of them as touchstones for navigating the evolving terrain of any project. The PMI Code of Ethics, anchored in responsibility, respect, fairness, and honesty, underpins these principles. These ethical values frame how we act and interact throughout a project lifecycle. Let's begin with a quick overview of the 12 core principles. Be a diligent, respectful, and caring steward. Create a collaborative project team environment. Effectively engage with stakeholders. Focus on value. Recognize, evaluate, and respond to system interactions. Demonstrate leadership behaviors. Tailor based on context. Build quality into processes and deliverables. Navigate complexity. Optimize risk responses. Embrace adaptability and resiliency. Enable change to achieve the envisioned future state. We'll explore each of these in detail now. Stewardship means you've been entrusted with resources, human, financial, environmental, and you are responsible for their ethical and sustainable use. This includes ensuring fair treatment of team members, managing budgets carefully, and considering the project's broader societal impact. A steward does more than deliver on scope. They protect the integrity of the project process and outcomes. When you act with integrity and transparency, you not only meet objectives, you earn trust. Collaboration thrives on mutual respect, clear roles, and open communication. Projects that succeed usually involve teams that take collective ownership of outcomes. This starts with a team agreement, norms and expectations that guide how you work together. Roles must be defined, authority must be understood, and responsibility must be shared. Inclusive, diverse, and cross-functional teams can produce remarkable results if nurtured properly. Stakeholders aren't just people you send emails to. They are influencers, decision makers, and recipients of your project outcomes. Engaging them early and often, listening to their concerns, and integrating their input helps align expectations. This reduces resistance and increases support. Engagement is about communication, but more importantly, it's about connection and collaboration. It's not about what you build, it's about what that deliverable achieves. Is it solving the right problem? Is it improving productivity, customer satisfaction, or sustainability? As the project evolves, revisit the business case, realign the scope if needed, and stay focused on the intended outcomes, not just the checklist. Projects exist within broader ecosystems, departments, portfolios, industries. They also have internal subsystems like design, testing, compliance, and more. Systems thinking helps us see interactions, feedback loops, and unintended effects. This holistic perspective lets you identify dependencies, risks, and leverage points. Leadership is a behavior, not a title. Everyone on a project can and should lead. That means articulating a vision, resolving conflicts, motivating others, and adapting communication styles to suit the audience. Effective leadership can be supportive, directive, participative, or facilitative, whatever the situation calls for. One size does not fit all. Tailoring means choosing just enough process to ensure success. You must evaluate your team size, technology, regulatory constraints, and customer expectations to choose what methods, tools, and governance models make sense. Tailoring maximizes efficiency and reduces unnecessary overhead. Quality isn't tested in, it's built in. From the moment requirements are gathered, we must define clear quality standards, apply preventive measures, and continuously verify outcomes. Quality applies to both deliverables and processes. Think, does it meet specs? Does it fulfill the customer need? Can it be replicated? Complexity is a reality in most projects due to diverse stakeholders, technological uncertainty, and global interdependencies. Don't fear it, understand it. Use critical thinking, seek external input, and engage in scenario modeling. Complexity can't be removed, but it can be managed. Risk is not inherently bad. A risk could be an opportunity to innovate. What matters is how we identify, assess, and respond. Optimize your approach by aligning risk responses with stakeholder appetite. Proactive management often costs less than reactive solutions. Every project will face change. Every plan will encounter friction. Adaptability means you pivot when needed. Resiliency means you recover when knocked off track. Build both into your project culture. Use feedback loops, empower diverse thinking, and stay focused on the outcome. Projects are agents of change, but change can only stick when people adopt it. Communicate early and often. Train users. Reinforce behaviors. Understand resistance and meet people where they are. Change enablement is what turns your project from a document into a movement. Remember, the 12 principles aren't checkboxes. They are your guideposts for ethical, effective, and impactful project leadership. Revisit them often, adapt them to your context, and most importantly, let them shape how you lead, collaborate, and deliver value. Thank you! Now that you know more about the principles of project management, let's delve into the defined phase of the DMAIC process.